Hi, welcome to my video on implicit differentiation. This is a new unit on implicit differentiation, and in this video I'm going to explain the explicit and implicit differentiation, the difference between the two, the equations that you're going to use. Explicit differentiation, derivative of an explicit function. In an explicit function, one variable is defined completely in terms of another. The independent variable x is written explicitly in terms of the dependent variable y. It has the form of y equals f of x. And I have many examples here. This is a linear. The dependent variable is y. The independent variable is x. Is a linear. This is a parabola, quadratic. The dependent variable is y, the independent variable is x. Notice that y is on the left side and the values of x are on the right side. And the third one, y is the dependent and x is the independent. This is a reciprocal of, which has a 1 over, reciprocal of a linear, and it has an asymptote. This is a polynomial, is a cubic. And again, the dependent variable is y, the independent variable is x. This is an exponential, and the dependent variable is y, the independent variable is x. This is a root, square root, and again, the dependent is y, the independent is x. So what happens, you put the value of x in, and you get the values of y. And we have a trig here, and again, the dependent is y, the independent is x, even though it's a trig function. And these are explicit because y is defined in terms of x. Now, what about an implicit? An implicit differentiation makes use of the chain rule to differentiate a function which cannot be expressed in the form of y equals f of x. And I have many examples down here. And this is, notice y cannot be expressed in terms of x because we have a y here and a y here, and this is y to the fourth. And again, right, without reading all this out, we have a y squared, and x, y squared, and we cannot write this in terms of y on the left side and x on the right. And the same is true here. Again, we got, notice the two y's, y cubed and a y. And here we get sine and a y squared, sine y. And here we got an exponential, y is the power of e, and we have y here, so we cannot solve this function in terms of y. So we have to use implicit differentiation. And we have another one here, we got a y squared, 4y, notice 3 different terms, and we cannot solve for y, so we use implicit differentiation. And again here, we have a y squared, an x, y, and a y. We have to use implicit differentiation to do the derivative of all of these. So that's just explaining when to use the implicit differentiation. The next videos will do the implicit differentiation. And like all my videos, if you like my video, click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, visit my math website, www.mathfullyexplained.com, to find more information about me, my videos, and the content. That's the content on my YouTube channel called Math Fully Explained, just one word. Thank you for viewing my video. Hope the video helped you. Bye-bye.